Na Rympei U paidbah, Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
Pastor, your next supplementary question, please.
In fact, that is the minister in charge. That is the particular road that I'm referring from ring round road near Maukanro to ISBT Moyong, where in fact the minister had stated that it has been named after SS Cajee, but it has not been reflected here. That's why I'm asking. Thank you.
Speaker, sir. The reply has given here just, I think, there are only few, but there are many more number of roads that in and around Shillong, like in Maulai and Laimukra, all that have become up. So they are on different occasions, the government has already renamed up the eminent personality. So, sir, if needs be, I can give all this government notifications.
Yes, Bakarpran.
Mr. Speaker, sir, just want to know from the Honourable Minister in charge of education. This in his reply B number 4, I just want a simple clarification. Is it just Reverend Nichols or Reverend J.J.M. Nichols? Just clarification.
Speaker, sir, number 4. Number 4, the Reverend Nicholas Roy wrote.
She actually normally is Reverend J.J.M. Nichols, if I'm not wrong.
You want to say something on that?
So the notification is Reverend Nicholas Roy, right, sir?
Yes, but
I think the honourable member means to say that since the name of this prominent person is not only Nichols Roy, it's JJM, so it would be proper on the part of the government to give a complete name on this.
Point noted, sir.